Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Keswick Stars 0, Durban City 1. I'm joined by UTK.
Steve, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not happy today.
We happy?
I'm not happy. Saying samangele laba Durban City bathi bakhetha nama man of the match.
Yeah.
Ayikadlali le team.
Yeah.
Man of the match kanjani? Sikorele futhi. Bayithatha man of the match. Yabona today better team won. Lost.
Yes, the best team lost.
Yes, the best team lost. Our boys, they did their best.
Yeah.
Badlalile sabakorela ba win ba celebrate ba happy, but it's fine.
Yeah.
So Tina, we going back home si happy.
Sure.
Svala simnandi si proud.
Yeah,
proud ngabafana bethu baphushile obviously bese win.
Sure.
Yeah, but it's game of football.
Yeah,
you know, it's either you win or lose.
Yeah.
So today it was not our day.
Yeah.
But I was proud Tina ngamathi.
Ngai man of the match nje
Makuwa number 6
16
16
yo ngizwa bathi Chiefs yamfuna
hayi asas yazoshaku Prime ngoba thina siya promote phela our biggest goal i Premiership i Betway Premiership in that bank it was just a bonus.
Yeah.
Masi Thoma Tina from last 82.
Yeah.
We didn't go ukuthi vele sifuna ukulanda in that bank. No, that's a bonus nje.
Yes.
And then sibese push up because we thought okay it's possible.
Yeah.
But our biggest goal thina sase Betway Premiership and siyangena.
Yeah.
So awazi bomthola njani Chiefs because abe singenile.
Yeah.
Singena ngaye ku Betway la.
Aiva.
Uyayibona?
Aiva.
Yeah, so abakhohlwa.
Kusasa iTS neMilford mawucanga ukuzokora bani?
Ku TS. Ithi yini kumbunjani? Lapha ku TS because he's been consistent. Uyayibona? Lapha in the middle and he's been like leading.
Yeah.
ETS. So I think tomorrow ilanga lakhe ukuthi yazini. Afaka team kuma final.
Kanti umbonjani Chiefs nabani?
I can't remember.
20 something.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Yeah, mara 27 lapha.
Yes.
Inet-bank it Buffett manithatha ni personal loan ye 20,000.
Yeah.
Umbonjani vela kore imali yenu Buffett. Ngizoyeka imali yamala Buffett imali elahlile lena. Sinayo Buffett. Sona ama personal loan.
Meslandi loan nje.
Yeah, ngamhlanje. Manise flightini nje nikhipheni net-bank money app ningene niloge in thatha i-personal loan njengombonjani and then nimnandi.
Yebo.
Uyangithola maka kora kusasiyangena immediately.
So Marsa celebrate phela le it deserve to celebrate for ikestre ukuthi ifike ku last 4 enidlale so
ngiyakuthola
sibawinise
sure
yeah mara it's fun abajabule bona
yeah thank you TK